Still full of hope, you know?
And then I've been always like you're done here. Joe, what happened?
Okay, let me get the coordinates. Wait. You guys are in the Argand plane. But I've been here before, so don't worry. I'll get you through this. The Argand plane is a way to represent complex numbers. Instead of using a plus bi, it uses a graph very similar to that of the Cartesian plane. The x-axis is replaced with the real axis, and the y-axis is replaced with the imaginary axis. For example, the number 2 plus 3i. We graphed it in parentheses 2, 3i.
Oh, I get it!
Kwong was just at the location 11 plus 2i, but he's moving, so now he's at 5 plus 4i. So if we subtract that from 11 plus 2i, we get that he translated by negative 6 plus 2i.
Alright, let me graph this. He was at 11 plus 2i, but he translated his location by negative 6 plus 2i to 5 plus 4i. So I'll have to run in this direction to find Kwong.
You got it?
Got it.
Dilating by 2, a real number, increases the distance between the point and the origin by 2. But the angle is the same, so I'll just go further down the block.
Kwong just teleported down the block and then disappeared. What happened, Joe?
Simply what Kwong did right now was dilation. When he went straight down the block, he was multiplying his location by a real number. And then when he moved out of your line of sight, he was multiplying his location by I, which moved his location 90 degrees counterclockwise. Let's try multiplying by 1 plus 3i. If we multiply 2 plus 3i by 1 plus 3i, we get negative 7 plus 9i, which is pretty close to Kwong's current location. But there's more to than just multiplying. When multiplying complex numbers, their modulos are multiplied, the arguments are added to get the new modulus, and the new argument of the product of the complex numbers. Kobe, multiply your location by 1 plus 3i right now. Teleport!
Multiplying by 1 plus 3i. Oh, I got it now. Oh shoot, Kobe's coming.
Teleport to a negative conjugate.
The conjugate of a complex number has its imaginary part negated, so a plus bi becomes a minus bi. This is denoted by a bar over z, which represents a complex number. The negation of this is just it multiplied by negative 1, or a reflection across the origin, or a rotation of 180 degrees either direction. So the negative conjugate of negative 8 plus 10i is 8 plus 10i. This has the effect of reflecting across the imaginary axis, with the center of the street at the imaginary axis. I'll be across it.
Oh, now I'm across the street. Kobe can't find me. Oh no! Wait, what happened? Where is he this time?
Hackers now shows the intersection of two ranges now. We'll have to graph this to figure out where the Kwong is.
Alright, when the absolute value of A is less than the absolute value of B, the graph just looks like a cross with all the parts in between shaded in. This is a huge area, half of all points on the graph. However, the second set is a circle, centered at 8 plus 9i. All the points less than 2 units away from the center are included in the set. The intersection is where I'll need to go.
Okay, I'm on my way. Prepare to be undefined. Joseph, I did it! This place is imaginary. You can't hurt me.